Hey guys, making a quick video if your garbage disposal is jammed like mine's. So let me get straight to the point. First thing first, you try to turn it on, nothing happened. So under the sink, of course, make sure it's plugged in, of course. Also, sometimes there may be a switch under here and it gets bumped with all your chemicals. So make sure the switch is on, see right here. All right. If your switch is on and it's plugged in, and of course the breaker not trip or your GFCI switch is not trip, then there is also a reset button under your garbage disposal. See that red button? Right there. And if it's not on, it'll be popped out, so you just have to press that red button in. And if that red button is pressed in, then see this little hole right here? Yeah, right there. You may need a wrench, and it's a special kind of wrench that you use to put in there, and then you just twist the garbage disposal back and forth to help whatever is in there loose. And I will post what that wrench is in a link. I got me one online, came the very next day. Looks just like this. And like I said, you just put it in that hole and you just twist it left and right or back and forth, however you want to, and then twist the blades around in there to jiggle whatever's loose. And then just repeat the steps. Try to turn garbage disposal on, press the red button, and you should be back in business. You're welcome.